Hi there. Today we're going to learn how to polish the handbells. Before you get started, you need a few things. You're going to need some handbell polish. The Simichrome polish is what we supply through the distribution center, and there's a really good chance you'll find that in your handbell case already. And you're going to need a couple cloths. You'll need an old rag that you can use to put the polish on, and then you'll need a clean rag that you can use to buff the bell up when it's done. You can use a lot of different kinds of things. Sometimes you'll find in your handbell cases this polishing rag, and this rag is actually meant for just quick jobs. It's got two sides to it. On the inside you'll see a red piece of cloth, and that has kind of a polishing agent on it, and what you can do is you can rub that on the bell and then flip over to the yellow side and buff it up. That's meant for light duty jobs. If you really want to get the bells polished up and looking great for your performance, then you're probably going to want to use the polish cream and a nice good rag. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a bell that needs attention, and we're going to put a little bit on to our rag. For the larger bells, maybe a pea-sized amount is good. For the smaller bells, you're going to get smaller and smaller as you go up the set. And you'll find, of course, that you'll need less polish for those tiny little bells. It does say on the package to use it sparingly, so I'm just going to put a little bit on to just cover all of the shiny surface of the handbell. So the handbell itself is looking a little dull now. I got polish on all the spots, and then I'll take my clean cloth and I'm just going to buff it. Just going to rub it so that it shines up. And keep going all around until you can see that it's nice and shiny. And this cloth, of course, will get dirtier and dirtier as you go by, so you may have to switch out this cloth, and you can certainly use that yellow cloth side to do the buffing as well. That'll work fine. You're going to buff all of the area above the handguard, and you're not going to put any polish on the inside of the bell. We don't usually need to do anything in there, but you'll go right up to the tip and just around. And once you've done that, it's ready to move on to the next one until you're all finished.